Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. All right guys, so again, we got some more spoilers for the No Make No Life box. And this is going to be a future spoiler. Now they did announce this on their Instagram and asked if everybody wanted to see this in a future box. This is a Japanese roll-on eye essence, and again, it don't show the month or what box it's going to be in, so I will update you guys as soon as I find out. Now if you don't know anything about No Make No Life, I will have them linked below if you want to go check them out. They are $35 a month. They have free shipping worldwide. You will receive a Tokyo box full of Japanese and Korean beauty products. So again, if you want to go check them out, there is a link below for you to go do so. And as always, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.